If you haven't buy an electric car in India, 2020 is the best year to start with because almost 10 plus electric cars will be launching in India this year. Most importantly, 2000 charging stations will be set up across all the main cities, which means no worries about charging network. So, let's have a look at the upcoming electric cars in India. At number 10, Storm R3. Mumbai-based Storm Motors making India's most affordable electric car, the Storm R3. It is a two-seater electric car powered by a 15 kilowatt motor, and the curb weight of this car is 550 kgs, and the car is also ARAI approved. And this car specifications are top speed of 80 km per hour, charge time of 3 hours, 200 km of range, and a running cost of 40 paise per kilometer. The R3 having features like large sunroof, automatic vehicle following system, and remote assisted parking system. The company to unveil this car in Las Vegas in January 7th. And the Storm R3 is priced at 4 lakh rupees, ready for launch in India in the second half of 2020. At number 9, Aura R1. The Chinese automaker Great Wall Motors' cheapest electric car, Aura R1, is all set to launch in India at the Auto Expo 2020. The Aura R1 has a maximum range of 351 kilometers with a motor capacity of 35 kilowatt, which will produce a 125 Newton meters of torque, and the battery capacity is 30.7 kilowatt hour, which gives a top speed of 102 kilometer per hour. And the car is expected to launch in the Auto Expo 2020 with a price tag of 6 to 9 lakh rupees. At number 8, Mahindra EKUV 100. The EKUV 100 is Mahindra's first electric SUV, which can give a maximum range of 350 kilometers of range. The car can run with a top speed of 186 km per hour and works with a 30.5 kilowatt 3-phase AC induction motor. The EKUV 100 can accelerate 0 to 100 kph in just 9 seconds, and the EKUV estimated price is between 8 to 10 lakhs and expected to launch in the first half of 2020. At number 7, Tata Altroz EV. Under the Ziptron technology, the Tata Altroz will be the second electric car after the Nexon EV. The Altroz EV will have a range of 300 kilometers on a full charge with a fast charging support of 80% in just 60 minutes. The car to have 8-year warranty. The expected price of Altroz EV is 14 lakh rupees, and it is all set to launch in September 2020. At number 6, Mahindra XUV 300 EV. The Mahindra XUV 300 EV was spotted tested on roads in March 2019, and it will going to be the highest range electric SUV from Mahindra. The SUV to be powered by a 40 kWh battery pack, and the expected price of 12 to 15 lakh rupees. At number 5, Kia Soul EV. The Kia Soul EV is one of the most searched electric cars in India. With a 64 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, the Soul EV can travel 391 kilometers on a single charge, and it works with a 81.5 kilowatt motor power with a top speed of 168 km per hour. The car delivers a phenomenal 395 Newton meters of torque, and the Soul EV is expected to launch in the end of 2020 with an estimated price of 15 to 20 lakh rupees. At number 4, Nissan Leaf. The best-selling electric car in the world, Nissan Leaf is ready to launch in India by the first half of 2020. With a 363 kilometers of range and a 150 km per hour top speed, the Nissan Leaf can charge 80% in just half an hour with a fast charger, and it can accelerate 0 to 96 km per hour in 9.9 seconds. And the car works with a powerful 80 kilowatt motor, which is powered by a 64 kilowatt hour lithium-ion battery pack. And the estimated price of Nissan Leaf is 30 lakh rupees. At number 3, Audi e-tron. Germany's most expensive electric car, the Audi e-tron, is all set to launch in India this year. The specialty of this car is it can generate 30% of energy from regenerative braking system. The two powerful motors deliver an output power of 280 kilowatt, which can give a top speed of 200 km per hour. The 95 kilowatt hour lithium-ion batteries gives a massive 400 kilometers of range. With an ex-showroom price of 1.5 crore rupees to 2 crore rupees, the Audi e-tron is expected to launch in the first half of 2020. At number 2, MG ZS EV. The MG ZS EV will be the first electric car available in Indian market from January 2020. The ZS EV can accelerate 0 to 100 kph in 8.5 seconds and the top speed is 140 km per hour. The electric SUV is powered by a PMSM motor, works with a 44.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, and the ARAI range of MG ZS EV is 340 km, and this car can produce an outstanding 353 Nm of torque. The MG ZS is all set to launch in January 2020 with an expected price of 20 lakh rupees. Before we going into the number one, let's see two more electric car information. As a partnership between Ford and Mahindra, the Ford Aspire EV will most likely to be launched in 2020 or 2021. The Aspire EV will be powered by a 82 bhp motor that will be connected to a 25 kWh battery pack. The Aspire EV has a range of 150 km and it will have a top speed of 110 km per hour. India's favorite car brand Maruti also readying for its WagonR electric car launch at the end of 2020 or first half of 2021. The WagonR electric car can travel 200 km of range on a single charge with a top speed of 100 to 120 km per hour. At number 1, Tata Nexon EV. With more than 350 km of range, the Nexon EV is going to be the popular electric car in 2020 because the Nexon EV is Tata Motors' first electric car from its advanced Ziptron technology. The car delivers a 245 Nm of torque, allows the car to accelerate 0 to 100 kph in 9.9 seconds. The Nexon EV is powered by a 30.2 kWh lithium-ion battery pack which is IP67 rated, dust, water and moisture proof. The car supports fast charging where 0 to 80% can be charged in 60 minutes. Tata Motors offering this electric car in 3 variants: XM, XZ Plus and XZ Plus Luxury based on customer choice. Tata Motors providing an 8-year warranty or 1,60,000 km on battery pack. The Nexon EV is all set to launch in the first quarter of 2020 with an estimated price of 15 to 17 lakhs. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.